So you have a PC that don't have a good quality webcam, means your PC, most of the laptop that are present have the 720p webcam, or most of the webcam that you buy from Amazon or all that has a 720p video recording, which is the worst quality. So in this video I will show you how to use your old Android smartphone as a webcam onto your Windows PC. So for that stuff, just go to the browser, and onto the browser just search for Droid Cam. So here it is. So I am just searching for the Droid Cam. So the link of the Droid Cam is given in the description box below, so just download it directly from there. So after opening this website, just select here download Windows client. Okay, after that just click here on the download. Now you have to download the same thing onto your PC, onto your mobile phone. So here just go to the Play Store. After going to the Play Store, just select Droid Cam. So link of the Android app and the link of the PC app, means PC software, is given in the description box below. So just download and install it. So till it's downloaded onto your smartphone, just to go back to the PC, open that exe and just select yes, and just select next, then again I agree, and then select next, and then select install. So here my PC, means the Droid Cam client, has been installing. So your smartphone has the best camera, even it's a 2013 phone or 2018 phone. Means whatever phone you have, it has a better camera than your PC. So just use your phone as a smartphone, use a smartphone as a camera for your PC. Now let's click on the finish. Now just here is the Droid Cam client, so just open it. Now it will ask you for this kind of options. So you can connect via Wi-Fi or a USB cable. I will show you both the methods. So after that, open the app on your smartphone, just click here on the next, then just click on the got it. Now just allow it. So now here is the Wi-Fi IP and the Droid Cam port. So if you have a strong Wi-Fi connection, then use a Wi-Fi connection, but I prefer to use a USB cable connection because it has no lag, no delay in video processing. But yeah, if you have a 100 or 200 Mbps plan, then you can even use Wi-Fi means you can use a Wi-Fi method to use your smartphone as a camera. So just type this IP onto your device, means make sure your phone and the PC is on the same Wi-Fi network. So I am typing this Wi-Fi ID and the Droid Cam port here in this device ID and Droid Cam port. So now it is asking me for the video or audio. So I will just select the video because mic are good of the laptop, but the just thing sucks on your Windows laptop is the video quality. So just select the video. If you want audio, then you can also use it audio, but I don't want audio, so I will just select start. Now just when you click on the start, now it just give me the camera access. Now you can see that what I am showing in my phone is being shown on your PC. So here it is. See, it is being shown on your PC. And if you just select a front camera, so wait. So now you can just click. Now you can just fix your phone here by using a stand or tripod, and you can get this kind of camera quality. So here it is. So yeah, see, now it is on my Windows PC. Now to switch the Windows PC, just select this, and now it's a Droid Cam camera port. So this how, so see, there is some of the lag and jitter in the Wi-Fi, but if you use a cable method, then you will not get any kind of this kind of jitter or lag. So let me show you how to use the Droid Cam port with the cable. So after selecting this port, you can even switch it to the front or back. So keeping the camera on the front is a sensible thing. but I have a 20 megapixel front camera, so I can use it as a webcam. But if you have a low megapixel front camera, then you can, if you have a tripod, then you can keep it like this, means like this on the back side. But I don't have tripod access, I will just click here on the front camera. So here I will just select the front. Yeah, now talking about how to connect with the USB cable. So you will require the original USB cable or the USB cable which have a data transfer capabilities. So just go to the settings. After going to the settings, just go to the about phone. Into the about phone, just select the build number for 7 to 8 times when you see you are a developer. Then go to the system. After going to the system, just go to the developer option, and here just select USB debugging, and yeah, you are good to go. So now open the Webcam application, just select the USB option from here. Now what you have to do is, so make sure you use a fast USB port onto your PC, so it will just charge your phone and your phone will also act as a smart camera. So here it is. Now just connect the cable onto your smartphone. So here I'm connecting the cable. After connecting the cable, here you will get a USB debugging, and now just select the file transfer and Android Auto. And now, so now when you connect your phone with the PC, so just select allow this computer and just select allow. Okay, so after you select allow, so after you click here on the allow, just click on the refresh button, and now you will get a Redmi Note 5 Pro, means you will get a device name. So just click here on the start. So when you click here on the start, now you see that you can get a good camera quality without any lag or without any jitter. So I am recording a sample with the Webcam and with the normal camera. So just judge yourself that how much good camera quality improves. So here it is. I'm giving, so after seeing these two samples, you will clearly see that a smartphone camera gives a good camera quality to the PC. So wait, and I am just recording the sample. So hey guys, this is the camera quality sample that is been recorded by my stock, means the webcam that is available on my PC, and now I am switching it. So so now this is the camera quality sample from the Webcam. That means my phone is being connected with my PC. So here, this kind of good camera quality you can get with the help of your smartphone. Means you can reuse your old smartphone. So here it is. So guys, this is how you can use your old smartphone as a webcam onto your Windows PC. So if you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing it. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. So thank you for watching. Bye.